Dream 100 Business Show welcomes you to yet another inspiring episode. In this episode, we will be talking about a topic which is very close to my heart, that is, finding your authentic voice as an entrepreneur.
Hey, you are listening to Dream 100 Business Show podcast with Savita Hosamani. We at Dream 100 Business Show are on a mission to help business owners to move to the next level in their personal and business journey by helping them to make smarter decisions. In this show, we decode what goes on in the minds of successful business owners during challenging times and how they converted their dreams into profitable products or services.
We all know that as entrepreneurs, we get caught up with strategies, numbers, and market trends. But what is it that truly sets you apart is not just your product or service, it is you. Your unique voice is the connection that bridges your vision with your audience, team, and clients. But the question is, how do you find that voice? Now let's break it down. Let's start first with understanding why authenticity is so powerful. Now let's start thinking about our favorite brands, leaders, or influencers. Why is it that we like them and we keep them in our memory? It is their ability to stay true to themselves while connecting deeply with their audience. Authenticity is not about being perfect, it is about being real. It's what helps you to build trust, inspire loyalty, and create meaningful connections. And as an entrepreneur, your authentic voice is your superpower. So, now in the process of searching your authentic voice, ask yourself this question: why did I become an entrepreneur? What is it that keeps me going every day? Understanding your why is the foundation of your authentic voice. Now, take a moment and write down your strengths, your values, and the unique qualities you bring to your business. These are the foundation pillars of your voice. Being authentic means being honest, even about your challenges. Share your journey, the wins and the failures. Vulnerability is not at all your weakness. It's what makes you relatable. Always remember that people connect more with your struggles than your successes. While staying true to yourself, it's important to align your voice with your audience needs and aspirations. What is it that the audience is looking for? And what is the tone which will resonate with them? When you speak their language, you start creating a connection. So now that you have identified your voice, how do you express it consistently? Be it your social media posts, your emails, or customer interactions, your voice should always shine through. Consistency builds recognition and trust. People always don't buy products, they buy stories. Share your journey, how you started, the hurdles you overcame, and the vision that keeps you going. Your story is uniquely yours, so own it. Your quirks and unique perspective are what sets you apart. So don't shy away from them. They are your competitive edge in a world which is full of similarity. Authenticity doesn't mean being rigid. It is it is all about listening to feedback, engaging in conversations, and letting your voice evolve naturally while staying rooted to your core values. Here's the bottom line: authenticity builds trust. Trust builds loyalty, and loyalty creates long term success. Your voice is more than just words, it's the personality of your brand, the connection you form with your audience, and the legacy you leave behind. So, as you go about building your dream business, take the time to discover and embrace your authentic voice. It's your most valuable asset. So, if this episode has resonated with you, I would love to hear your thoughts. So, share your feedback, stories, or struggles. And if haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to Dream 100 Business Show for more inspiring conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, stay authentic, stay inspired, and keep building the business of your dreams. And as usual, we are always waiting to hear from you. Thank you so much.